Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Binance MXC free commerce update. So we've had a bit of a change of plan with this Binance MXC because I actually have some Bitcoin that I'm trading, just Bitcoin spare basically, that I'm going to send over to this account because I quite aggressively trade in my own accounts, and I just thought I'd put some extra in here just to trade a little bit more conservatively like we have been doing in this account. So it's going to skew the results. Obviously I can take away the amount of Bitcoin that we've got from the result today because they've not traded it yet. It's still just sat in the account as Bitcoin, but obviously the problem is then going forward I will hopefully be making profit from that Bitcoin, so it is sort of gonna ruin the efficacy of the challenge, but nonetheless though we can keep a track of it, and yeah, keep a track of how it's going, and basically it'll just be well, it'll be like that, how quick can I make a whole Bitcoin challenge basically, where I initially started with one Bitcoin to make another Bitcoin but added 0.63 Bitcoin after. So I'll just show you guys what is going on here, so you can see. Just go over to the charts. Here we go. So in here we've got 1.43 Bitcoin, sorry, 1.043 Bitcoin, and then in Binance we have now got plus one spot 225, one spot 225 we'll call that. So yeah, so got 2.268, and if so obviously take away the amount of Bitcoin I popped in, which you can see here, it's 2.5 there, 0.25, sorry. So if I minus 0.25 and then also minus what I put into MXC, which is this Bitcoin here, which is we'll call it 0.388. So get the calculator, minus 0.388. So that gives us, even before I've done anything with that total, 1.63 Bitcoin. So we've got 1.63 from one Bitcoin. So we're still going to try and get that extra Bitcoin, but obviously we've got extra capital to make it. So may make it a bit easier to get it, assuming we can still make money from these alts. So yeah, at 1.63. I have yet to invest this Bitcoin because obviously I left it here just so you could see for the video, but I will be putting these funds into some alts, and as you can see I'll be putting more of the funds into these MXC alts. So yeah, that's it guys. So as it stands, 1.63 Bitcoin from one Bitcoin so far in 31 days I believe, and yeah, obviously we've got some extra Bitcoin here now, but we'll just keep a track of how much profit we've made from what is actually now. I did actually want to make it even. Obviously we're up a little bit more, so we're at 1.63, so I was going to add in the extra what we've made, but it's gone up a little bit more, so it's like 1.64 or something now. But either way, we know what the running total is. It is this one here, 2.268 was the amount that we've got. So yeah, we can use that as a point of reference now. Yes, there you go guys. That's the Binance challenge update. Got a little bit more complicated now, but I mean, as I said to you guys, this is an account I was trading conservatively, so I just needed to put some more funds in that account. So it just is what it is, isn't it, really? I gotta make a living as well. YouTube ads don't pay anything. So there you go. Right, I'll speak to you guys later on. Remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon.